This is your evening meditation for gratitude and manifestation. Place your hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Breathe in deeply. Hold. Exhale slowly. Let's do that again. Inhale love. Hold. Exhale gratitude. One more. Inhale softness. Hold. Exhale surrender. I am grateful for this day. I am grateful for every breath, every lesson, every moment. I am grateful for who I am right now. This evening, I honor the woman I was today. She was present. She was learning. She was growing. I am proud of my energy. I am proud of my choices. I am proud of my resilience. I allow myself to rest deeply, knowing I gave what I could. I allow stillness to nourish my nervous system. I allow peace to wrap around me like a soft blanket. I am safe. I am loved. I am whole. I gently release anything that feels heavy. I release the tension in my body. I release the thoughts that do not serve my vision. I choose calm. I choose clarity. I choose trust. As I drift towards sleep, I align with the version of me who already has it all. To see her clearly, I feel her energy. I welcome her into my present moment. I am a match for miracles. I am a magnet for aligned abundance. I am open to receiving with grace. I am strong. I am powerful. I am resilient. My body restores itself in perfect harmony. My mind calibrates with pure intention. My soul remembers its mission. I am peace. I am power. I am the light that I've been waiting for. Thank you for this day. Thank you for this life. Thank you for all that it is on its way to me. I welcome more. I welcome ease. I welcome divine alignment. I am happy. I am safe. I am the light that I've been waiting for. Good night.